Hello students, welcome to UT's Testing Platform Orientation. UT Udaan. How to log in? Your account will be created by UT. You will receive an URL, login ID and password on your registered email ID. This is a sample email. You will receive an email from TestPress saying Universal Tutorials account creation notification. When you click on this email, you will be getting the credentials, that is your username, password, and the URL to join or to open the software. Every time you want to take tests, you have to click on the specific link, enter your username and password. Once you click on the link, you have to enter your username, password, and click on login. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the exams tab. The exams tab has 3 different sections: available, upcoming, history. The available section shows you all the tests that are currently open. The upcoming section shows you all the tests that are scheduled for a future date. The history section shows you all the tests that you have already attempted. To take a test, please click on the Available tab. The list of available tests will be shown. Every test has got a unique ID which is shared with you. To take the test, you have to search for that specific unique test ID. Put the test ID in the search box and you can search the specific test. Once the test is ready, you can take the exam. For that, click on Start Exam. Once you click on it, the exam instructions are displayed. Please go through the instructions. Click on Start Exam and the exam will start. As soon as the exam page opens, you'll be able to see the question paper and the timer on the left-hand side. Now this timer, the time completely consists of your writing time and the uploading time. You can just read all the instructions and you can start taking the exam. Once you have completed writing it, you can convert it into images and a PDF file and you can upload the file. To upload a file, click on Choose File. Then click on Browse. A dialog box will open. Click on the specific file that you want to upload and click on Open. Once you click on Open, the file will start uploading. Once the uploading is complete, a green tick will appear near the Complete tab. You can close this box and the file name that you have uploaded will be available near the Choose File tab. You can check for the file. If you feel that the file is not correct, you can just delete it and choose another file. Once you are ready with the uploading, you can end the exam. After you click on End Exam, you'll be prompted, do you want to end the exam? Just click on End Exam and next click on Review Results. So you'll be taken back to the software page. Now here, since it is a subjective exam, the score won't be displayed immediately, but there would be any. Once the paper is corrected, you will receive an email and you can check the marks. Once you have taken the exam will come to the History tab. Once the paper is corrected, you will be able to see the score. Now to download answer sheet, click on Review Results. Here in the Answers tab, you will be able to see the question paper, your uploaded file and the corrected file, and the model answer. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see the marks awarded, the feedback comments given by the tutor. If you wish to send the paper for rechecking, you can just click on comment and you can write the comment in the comment box and you can click on submit. The comment will be received by the tutor and the tutor will respond and you'll be able to see it in the same section. So in this way, you can take the test on the new platform. Thank you.